Hi everyone, very good morning. Today our topic is how to create and run REST API request in Apache JMeter tool. This is our topic today. Okay, step one, create the JMeter API request. Okay, total how many methods, right? It's a one is get, one is post, one is put, last one is delete. Okay, these are the methods available. Okay, first of all I need to create the JMeter API request. Okay, I will open to the my JMeter tool. It's available e folder. Yeah, I will open it. Just a minute, it will open. Okay, okay. First find you need to create any one type of request. You can create the under test plan, right? Just you can right click, add thread and thread group. Okay, under thread group you can add, go to sampler, select the HTTP request. Okay, after go to the thread group, add, go to the listeners. First one is the view results tree. Second one is you need to add the view results table also. Okay, these two tables you need to add, and I need to save this one. Go to e folder, JMeter scripts. Okay, just you can give the JMeter REST API. Okay, JMeter REST API request. Just you can save it. Now you need to test to the REST API request, right? You need to go to one. There is one sample site. The site most of the people you know that one. Okay, request and response. Okay, that is the site. Yeah, that is the first link only. REST API services for a sample testing point of view and a practicing purpose and explain and real time also how we need to do. But you need to learn to the way of process how this is the sponsor, this is the sponsor, this is the sponsor, this is the sponsor, this is the site for REST APIs. You can see the real responses, right? Develop with the real response codes, get, post, put, delete supported. Okay, okay, now you need to go down. Okay, in the application, just a minute, I need to create everything. This is the get method, post method, put method, this is the delete method. Okay, these are the four methods. Now you need to start to the get the request. Okay, go to the site. You can see first one get, right? I will take this one. First one get, it's a list of users. Okay, the list of users means whenever you need to send this request JMeter to hit to the server, he will showing the response is 200 and there is no test data. There is no any body of the data, only request only. You need to send the request to server. The server will send the, this is the response. Okay, what are the response it's available, right? This application, this is the response server will sending back to you. Okay, and response code is 200. Okay, okay, now you need to open this one. Just you can click on that one, that is enough. Okay, this is the response you need to keep, just you can copy it. Okay, go to your notepad. This is the get method. Okay, but in working time, right? I will show you this one. First I need to design this one. Okay, in go to JMeter, right? You can give the name called get request. Okay, first one is the get request. There are two types of methods, right? One is basic, one is advanced. Basic means you need to send it to the web server protocol HTTP by default. In your URL HTTP available, that time you no need to mention anything. HTTPS it's available, right? You need to type HTTPS. Most of the times please do not type anything, just copy paste it. Okay, that is enough. Second one, server name or IP address. Most of the time server name available, sometime it's not available, only IP address, right? You can give IP address also, it's work same. And you can provide the port number. Method, what type of method? Example, there are so many methods, right? Get, post, put, delete, and patch. This one also I'm using, but I'm not working anytime for trace options head. Okay, these are the options I'm not working, remaining I will working on already. Okay, okay, what type of option you require, you can select it based on requirement, and you can provide the application path, you can provide this place. And content encoding. Okay, content encoding, you know, right? What type of format also will support it, that that one also you need to give. You don't know, right? Just you can leave it, it's no problem. Maybe anytime it's must and should you need to enter, right? That time you will showing to the errors, that based you can enter, that is enough. Okay, now in get method, right? I will show you that one. You can see this is HTTPS, that reason you can copy it. You can go to JMeter, give the protocol is HTTPS. Okay, most of the people you know, right? What is the protocol? Protocol means there is a set of rules. Okay, set of rules or the list of rules. Okay, both are same only. The protocol means based on some rules and conditions based only need to work. Example, HTTP work, HTTP it's working different, HTTPS is working different. And based on another protocols, right? FTP, JDBC, Bolt. Okay, there are so many protocols. Java API also. Okay, based on the protocol way of you need to doing the test, everything will be differented. That reason protocols means it's based on some rules and regulations and conditions based only need to work. Okay, means protocol means you know what are the protocols available. Example, anybody somebody is asking suddenly, and what is protocol? Okay, just you can understanding purpose I will explain. Okay, first one you entered HTTPS. After you can see this is the server name or IP. Okay, anytime URLs this type of one you need to enter, right? Don't type it. Okay, whenever you need to type, right, some words are capital small letters. Okay, some colons, backward slash, forward slash, something is missing and it's failed, keep on. Okay, that reason don't copy, or just you can copy paste it, that is enough. Okay, port number it's not required, this is sample, right? That reason just you can copy this entirely. Okay, yeah, now it's completed, this is the get request. Okay, you need to test, you can see, um, go back. Yeah, same only, right? Site setup, yeah, our 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 site setup, everything is done. I saved and I have run one time. Yeah, you can see the get request is success. You can see first one thread name, thread group, it's only one user, right? One user and one iteration. Okay. Sample time means how much time it's executed exactly. This is the date and this is the time ist. Load time, how much time will be taken. As performance testers, you need to consider load time, connect time, latency, size in bytes, sent in bytes, header size, body size, okay, based on errors also, and response code and response messages. Okay, these are all the things you need to consider. And you can see response code is 200, right? It's success. Response message and request, this is the request you sent it, this is the response. Okay, now it's success, there is no any issue. Okay, some scenarios, right? What will be happen sometime, this is sample application, that reason it's success directly. Just practicing purpose only, the site will be created and providing some services. Okay, now in real-time applications, right, you need to add some more additional elements also. You can see there is a sample, you can see http sample result field, right? Content type application or json, sometimes this format files also it's missing, it's required. That time what you need to do, right, just you can click on that http request, go to add, go to config element, go to http header manager, just you can add it, that is enough. Okay, go to view results tree, content type, right, just you can see what I need to do. It's a very simple only, but sometime you don't know that one exactly, you keep on checking how we need to do that one. Okay, sometime it did not showing error properly also. Okay, just you can add it, you can see content type, uh, you can copy this one. Okay, okay, now you added, right, this one also. Actually it's not required, current application it's not required, but some applications, right, it's required, must and should, you need to add. Okay, now you need to run. Now also it's working, right? Another application, there is a different, okay, it's a very high security example. Currently I'm working on banking application, it's everything it's required, username and password. Every any small request also he required username and password is asking, otherwise it's fail. Okay, that time what you need to do, right, click on to the your request, http request, add, go to config element, uh, go to the you can see http authorization manager. Okay, just you can give the clear auth each iteration, yes, you can clear this one also every time. Okay, clear the authentication each iteration, and just you can add them, give the base url, username and password, domain. Realm it's not required, but basic mechanism you can provide basic, that is enough. This one you can leave it, remaining fields you need to provide. URL, that application URL you can provide, otherwise IP address, that is enough. Username and password, domain you need to provide, domain you know, right, that what type of domain you're using. Otherwise you can ask to the development team also, it's provided, that is not a problem. Okay, basic it's a common same only, no need to change anything. This one will provided, right, automatically the request whenever you need to sending to the server, right, based on the request what are the details you mention, these details based, and http header manager what are the content application, this one also will supported, and authorization username password based you need to send the request to this all data you need to send to the server. Server will be verify everything is good, right, all the details it's available, you can pass the request. Okay, that is the way you need to work. Why I need to told this all the things, right, JMeter will provide, there are so many things it's available, elements available. Whenever the element what time, what purpose you need to use, and how we need to work that one. That details, you able to do any type of performance testing very easily. Maybe you face something, any you need to do some scripting, you need to write some advanced code, anything that type of time you will face some issues. Remaining most of the applications, okay, most of the projects you can complete very easily, you no need to worry about. But how many peoples I have taken interview, right? Most of the interview candidates almost 9 to 10 years experience also, means the people, you do not have proper knowledge, means just what is the project, how we need to done, but full knowledge I did not see anyone. uh, that is the major point. And another one, why I need to majorly focus on JMeter tool. Most of the projects and big MNC companies also, cost reducing purpose, he will using most of the time JMeter only. It's a small companies, mid level companies, large MNC companies also using, most preference is JMeter only. Okay, you can learn anytime, right? Yes, you can learn load runner also. On the same time, same preference you need to give the JMeter. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. This one, and yeah, you need to add the HTTP authorization manager, right? Actually, current request it's not required. Okay, just real time point of view I will explain. Current request point of view, right? Just you can leave it this both. It's not required. Okay, okay. Both are it's not required. Okay. It's working fine, right? No issue. Now you need to add the another request. Okay. Okay, now first one is done. Second one, post method. You can go to the web application, you can go to post one. You can see this is the post, means it's a create. Post is create. Okay, post method, there is a some data it's available, body of the data. You can copy this one. It's very important. Okay, whenever development team will provide this REST APIs, right? Any body of data, anything it's provided, the team only will provide it. Our point of view, it's a test data. Okay, okay, you need to call it's a test data only. The data, everything development team will be provided, you don't worry about anything. Means who are the people newly started, right? That people's purpose. Okay, this is the body. Post URL only I required. You can see the response code is 201. 201 means it's a creation. Okay, you can learn response codes only. What is 200? What is 201? 2, 3? What is 300? 404? 500? Means this type of questions also sometime interviewers will asking. Okay, just you can learn it yourself. Otherwise, my next videos I will provided that one also detailedly. Okay, this is the URL for the post method. Okay. Okay, now I need to create the post URL. This one also same HTTPS, right? You can copy it. Uh, Go to JMeter, second request, HTTPS. After go to the post method, right? This is the request and response.in. That is the server. This is the path. Yeah, this is the path. Okay, now you need body of data, right? You can click on body of the data and just you can copy it. This is very simply you can copy it. This data it's already available server. Okay, just you can paste it. Okay, now you created second request also. Just a minute. This is the method called post request. You can see the method is, you can select the post. Okay, now request is sufficient. You need to test and validate. You need to disable this one. Now it's not required. Just you can click on. You can see now it's executed, right? You can see response code is 201 and response message is created. Okay, it's success. And application content type application or JSON, and what time will be executed, and load time, connect time, latency, size in bytes, send bytes, header size, body size, sample count, error count. Okay, every request, example get method, post, remaining methods, right? Based on you need to send the request, everything it's a variation, there is a lot of variation. Okay, whenever you need to send the request to server will send the data, right? It's a downloading. That is the one type of response you need to get. Otherwise you are sending some data to server, it will take some time and hold, and the process, after only you will get the data. And sometime you have some authorization managers, right? Username and password, that type of time it will take some other time, and the server keep on busy, there are so many requests, it's queue, right? It will take some other time. Okay, the response based on the application design, architect everything. But company point of view, right? You will provide the recommendations only, that the people's it's not allowed based on our business problems. Okay, but as for your role as a performance test engineer, you can complete your work, that is only our intention. Okay, without any issue, you done your job, that is enough. Okay, yeah, now this request also it's sufficient, it's working fine. I will disable, add the another request, same HTTP request, moving to the put method. Okay, okay, now it's called put request. Okay, okay, now it's put means it's a update, you need to update the already available data. Okay, this is the body of the data, you can copy it. Okay, this is the body put method, right? You can go to the server, this is the response you need to came. Okay, updated at, that is a specific time. Okay, name and job only, response code 200. Now you need to click this one. Okay, you can copy them, you can paste to the. Okay, now you need to copy this one. Okay, https, this is the server. Okay, this one, and you need to select the put method. Okay, and go to the body of the data, you can see put method, there is a body is different. Sorry, you can copy the specific body only and given to them. Okay, now it's everything is ready, you need to save that one, just you can run it. You need to, yeah, now it's put request executed, right? You can see it's a 200 success, message is okay. But whenever go to request, right, this is the URL and this is the body of the data. And response data, you can see there is no any response, but it's updated in server end, updated at 2023 February 14, this is the time, IST time. Okay, it's done. Now this request also moving to disable, you can add the another request. This is the last request, it's called delete request. Okay, it's an important one, delete request. Okay, you can go to the delete. Okay, this is the delete. Okay, this is the delete, guys. Just a minute. Something. Yeah, this is the delete message. Okay, whenever you no, this is not the delete message. Maybe site it's not refreshing. 1 minute. Actually, some internet issue. It's very slowly running. Just to keep beyond patience. Just 1 minute, it's done that one. The response message you need to came 204 only. You need to came delete, not 200. Yeah, you can see the response is 204. 204, and it's need to come response. It's empty. Empty means it's deleted. Okay. Now you can see response is 204, right? Just to click on. Okay. Yeah. Now you need to copy this one. Okay, now I copied, right? You can go to the my delete request. Oh no, it's dead. Okay, now I need to copy the https. Okay, requested response dot in. Okay, now you need to check to the able to how we need to working. I am already saved, clear everything to run single user load. You can see it's success, right? This is the response you need to came, but request delete request only. Sample it's come. The message is success 200. It's okay. Okay, everything is success only. Whenever you need to show success means actually inside will showing 204. Okay, you already see, right? Response. No, not this one. It's a message is came. 204 is the response, but JMeter, right? It's showing 200 only. 200 means it's successfully deleted. That reason. Okay. Message point of view, response code point of view, it's success only. That is only correct. Okay. Now it's done, right? Okay. Now I need to enable all the. Okay. Okay. Now you. Okay. Go to thread group. Not able to put that much user load. Just 10 user load. You can select infinity only. Um, Actually, this is one of the sample site, right? That reason you no need to run most of the time duration. Just 120 minutes only. Just I'm running. You can see that time also sometime it's blocked. Okay, just 2 minutes only. 10 users. Okay, how you need to work? You need to see the methods get, post, put, delete. Okay, and mm, just a minute. You need to add the timers. Otherwise, it's fail everything. Okay, 5000 seconds means 5 seconds. Why I need to add the timers, right? You can see the site is it's a sample site. Whenever anybody keep on hitting the server, right, automatically the server is blocked. Okay, that reason verifications remaining after. First of all, you need to add everything. Okay, timer 5000, 5000, 5000, 5000. Now you need to wait every 5 seconds, right? Phasing think time, that is secondary matter. First of all, how we need to create the request, that is our agenda. It's done. Just I need to run. Maybe how we need to work, you need to see. Slowly it's run. Maybe just 2 minutes only, right? Not more than. Yes, it started. 10 users, it's already running, guys. Based on 5 seconds, one user will be hit. Okay. 5 seconds means total 555, right? It's calculated overall also. You can see now it's moving, right? Just you can come to this point of view also. Sometime whenever you need to sending keep on without any delay stress testing point of view, you need to send the request to server, right? Sometimes server it's not able to respond and some specific request, example it's a get method or post or put or delete any method based on the uh, how much fastly you need to give in the response time. Sometimes connection is failed, sometimes request is not responded, it's the directly connection also failed, request also failed. There are so many errors you need to came. This is very less time, right? Just about 2 minutes only, I'm not given more than site issue. Okay, it's a blocked otherwise, that reason. You can see this, it's a minimum user load, it's everything working success. Whenever you need to keep on increasing the very heavy user load, means real-time applications, right? Based on our hardware configuration, management will given you need to run the heavy load. Heavy means maybe based on our license. Okay, you need to use JMeter, right? The application is dev enrollment. It's a different load. It's a very minimum load only you need to run. Okay, otherwise it's not dev enrollment. It's already test enrollment. Test enrollment almost average load you need to run. Average means 100 to 100 plus users. Otherwise moving to test to QA enrollment, right? You need to run, it's a very heavy, it's a my point of view, I'm already running around 10,000 users is continuously running. Okay, in pre-prod enrollments 10,000 above only, based on hardware configuration, multiple load generators used to, you need to run the test. Okay, that is another one. Production I did not touch any time. Okay, I'm not doing any time that type of one. Okay, now guys, you need to see, you can go to the view results tree also. You can see you did not failed any request. Okay, this minimum load and minimum time. Okay, it's a struck only, it's already 2 minutes only, it's already running. Okay, now it's success only, there is no an issue. This is one. Another one, whenever you need to create this request, right? This is sample application point of view I will create it. But real time applications, right? Any REST API you need to give in the time, most of the time this method only will work, post method. Okay, the post method how we need to give in, right? The REST API request will directly will, the people will provide it. You can provide the protocol and URL port number 100% will provided. Any Linux missions 443. Okay, other applications based on the port number you need to came, and every application must and should port number available. Okay, development team will provide it. Otherwise you need to ask and you need to get it. Okay, path everything you need to provide. And the body of the data, it's a fully the team only will provide it, full body of the data. You don't know anytime first time you are doing, right? What you need to do, example I will show you one thing. uh, you can see online JSON format checker, right? Means based on the there are so only I will showing, there are so many online formats available, you need to check for the online. Okay, JSON lint, this is lint application. JSON online, um, the request example, what are the request you will given, right? Just you can given them and just click on validate means the JSON request it's a properly available or not. Missing main thing, anything, 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 anything is missing, means closing, flower, opening, closing, flower, opening, 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 opening or closing anything, semicolons or commas, anything will be missed based on the syntax errors. He will correct it. Anything issue, right? Just you can report them. Otherwise, there is no an issue. Just you can run and validate one time. Okay. Still, you have issue. Other different case. Another one, you need to test data, right? Anything test data, right? Just you can parameter. That is very simply you need to do. Okay. But that API request single user load, you need to prepare for your end everything properly. Whenever he will given the proceeding the test, right? Yeah, that time you can run. Means based on the deployment, something deployment changes, code merges, anything will be given, right? Will done, and everything code is moving to master branch and merged and deploy them. The deploy everything back end DevOps team you need to do, but you need to coordinate the team. Once the deploy is done, yes, you can proceed with testing. Otherwise, that is different case, guys. Some applications, the applications is not going to the live after 2 3 years after also. Before only the application properly you need to validate it, everything, all type of testings you need to done, and application is be ready after only will release. That is different type of applications. Some applications, once means one side you need to doing the testing, one side the application is already live. Some applications, that is some applications, some applications, step by step, I'm already told, right? Dev, test, QA, pre-prod, production, that type of way only will moving. Means based on the requirement and based on the application. Okay, that management only will take the decision. It's not our control, right? But any type of application, our testing is same. Okay, just you can practice 1 or 2 times, right? You also master. Okay, anybody never requesting this one, how we need to do, no need to ask anyone. Okay, just you can practice this 2 3 times. You need to do it yourself. You can face any problems, that is first time or second third fourth time only. After you never face any issues, you individually need to work. Okay. uh, yeah, that's all, guys, this video. I'm sorry this video some little bit lengthy, but just I'm explaining how we need to do. Okay. uh, yes, yes, guys, it's completed our topic. Okay, how to create and run REST API request in Apache JMeter tool. Okay. I will connect to the my next video. Yeah, thanks everyone. Bye.